What kind of cowards sets up a meeting at 1 a.m. in the morning to debate a budget bill so that the American people can't hear the debate, so that news organizations would be less likely to cover the budget bill? What kind of cowards set a meeting at 1 a.m.? I'll tell you what kind of cowards. Republican MAGA cowards. No one sets up a meeting at 1 a.m. to debate a bill. No one does it. And before you say, oh, the Democrats did it in the past, fine. If they did, send me proof. I'll make a fucking video about it. What kind of cowards sets up a meeting at 1 a.m. to debate $698 billion cuts to Medicaid, $500 billion cuts to Medicare, $267 billion cuts to SNAP? The budget bill also increases the federal deficit by $3.8 trillion with a T, $3.8 trillion. Didn't Supreme Leader Trump say he was going to cut the deficit? The bill adds $3.8 trillion to the deficit. Over 14 million people will lose health insurance. And that's on the low side of the estimate. The low side of the estimate. And we're talking about children, people's grandparents, people's parents. The cowards set a meeting at 1 a.m. so the American people can't hear what's going on, and they can't complain, and they can't make phone calls. The MAGA Republicans don't care about you. They don't care about poor people. They don't care about people who are on Medicaid and Medicare and who need food stamps. They don't care about children dying because they're going to be kicked off of their health insurance. They don't care about you. When are you going to realize they don't care about you? Oh, but they're just going to cut Medicaid and Medicare for undocumented immigrants. Guess what? Not a single undocumented immigrant received a dime of your federal tax money for comprehensive Medicaid health care. Not a dime. The Republican Party, especially the MAGAs, are cowards. They did this in the dark of night, thinking that it wouldn't get a lot of news coverage. Well, guess what? It did. They did it in the dark of night so the American people could not listen. But guess what? People like me, I listened, and there was a lot of people who listened, and we're trying to spread the word. If this affects you or somebody you love in any way, your grandparent, your children, a friend, a neighbor, if this affects you in any way, you need to immediately get on the phone right now. Call every senator, every congressman you know. Leave them a voicemail. Tag them on social media. If any of these cuts are going to affect anybody you know, I don't care if you voted for Trump. I don't care if you voted for Mars. You need to get on the phone right now, tonight. Don't wait till tomorrow, because they could pass this thing. They could pass this thing in the dark of night tonight. I said it before and I'll say it again. The Republican MAGA Party are cowards for setting a meeting at 1 a.m. so that the American public could not see and comprehend what was going on in the middle of the night last night. Fucking cowards.